Presenting checks to the affected property owners, Ondo State Governor Oluwarotimi Akeredolu said it is to make it easy for them to relocate and continue life without hardship. The Ondo State Governor added that about 9 billion naira has been spent on construction, maintenance and rehabilitation of roads across the state in the last 1 year as part of his government resolve to fulfill his electioneering promises to the people.
We are resolved to keep delivering on our electioneering promises. It's a determination. We gave you 5. We said we'll create jobs. We spoke about job creation through agriculture. This we are doing. We talked about job creation through industrialization. All you need to do today is to go to Ore. Go and see where we have Ondo Industrial Park. Go there. Go and see the great works that we are doing.
On their part, the State Commissioner for Works and Infrastructure, Taufik Abdul Salam, and the Special Advisor to the Governor on Infrastructure, Engineer Raimi Aminu, assured the people of the state of government commitment towards provision of infrastructural facilities to the people of the state.
I want to commend the effort of Mr. Governor Oluwarotimi Akeredolu for his positive disposition toward the prompt release of funds for the payment to beneficiaries whose property were affected is a testimony to the good intention of our governor. Let me assure the people of Ondo State of the unwavering commitment of the present administration toward the provision of basic infrastructure facility to the good people of Ondo State.
For us not to cause nuisance in the town, we try as much as possible to take it segment by segment. The first segment now is A division to Nepa roundabout. That stretch will be completed within the next 2 months.
High point of the occasion was the presentation of checks to the affected property owners by the Ondo State Governor Oluwarotimi Akeredolu. From Akure, the Ondo State capital, Jonah Omorowa reporting.